Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen, no. You gotta speak up, you gotta dare and speak your mind.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you all this look right here, which I've created using LA Colors eyeshadow palette. So I'll be doing 9 different makeup looks using 9 different palettes for this 9 different days of Navratri. So if you're interested in knowing how I created this particular look, then continue watching. So I have used this COLORBAR primer, then I have used Maybelline Fit Me foundation today. Now I'll be using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer as my eye base. So these are the two palettes I'll be using. I'll be switching between two. And if you're wondering where are the eyeshadows in between, it was broken because I got it from Amazon and I did got a refund. So moving on, I just took that light shade to set my concealer. Now I'm using this burnt orange shade for my crease. So I'll be building the color slowly. Like you can see, I'm just going to blend nicely and then build the color like this, and then I did flick my outer corner. Now I'm using that dark mauvey kind of a shade and I'm going to deepen my crease even more like this. So I'm just going to take my time and blend the eyeshadows and then build the color. So once I'm happy with the way it's looking, I'm going to take same concealer and I'll be cutting my crease like this. Then once I have done that, I'm going to set my concealer with the same eyeshadow which I used earlier. Then I'll be using this blue eyeshadow. So I'm going to apply the eyeshadow as it is first, and then I'll be using this setting spray to take the eyeshadow, and you can see huge difference. The eyeshadow picked up very well, and once I'm happy with the way my eyeshadow is looking, I'm going to take the same mauvey deep color and I'll be like applying on my crease and making sure everything is blended nicely. So once that's done, I'm going to take this Stay Quirky eyeliner. So I'll be lining my eyes. I'm doing thin elongated wing liner and I'll be trying to match my other eye. Then I'm curling my lashes and I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Big Shot mascara for my upper and lower lashes. Then using this Colossal Kajal for waterline and tight lining with the same Kajal. Then going back, I'm taking that blue eyeshadow and I'll be connecting it with my wing like so. Then to finish off my look, I'm going to use this silver eyeliner. So I'll be applying this eyeliner on my crease like this. Be patient while you do this because you don't want to ruin your all the efforts made. So yes, once that's done, I did clean my fallouts and I applied LA Girl Pro Conceal, and to set my base, I used a L'Oreal Compact. So moving back to my eyes, I'm using Kajal for my lower lash line like this, and then I'm smudging it with this dark shade. So I'll be smudging it with this small precised brush, and then I did apply mascara for my lower lashes. For contouring, I'm using this Wet n Wild contouring palette and I'm bronzing up my face with this, and then I did slightly contoured my nose as well. Using this coral blush, I'll be applying it on my cheeks. So for highlighting, I'm using this Savannah highlighter and I'll be highlighting my highest points, usual areas. And then I did highlight my inner corners and brow bone as well. For lips, I'm using this LA Girls matte lipstick in Playful. So first I'll be applying it and then on top I'll be using Bella Vostale lip gloss. to finish off my look, I'm using this L'Oreal setting spray and I'll be spritzing it on my beauty blender because I don't want to ruin my eye makeup. So with that, I finished this video. I hope you all liked it and it was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize.